Okay, hi. So here's how you use your new vape battery. So first you plug it in, plug the charger in here and plug it into your wall. When you plug it in, this will turn red, and then when it's finished charging, it'll turn green. Then you can screw in your vape cartridge. Now you'll see there's a button here. If you press the button, nothing will happen. Boom, nothing happens. To activate this, to turn this on, you got to press this 5 times rapidly fast. Watch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom, it's turned on now. So now it's preheating. It won't be ready right away. Just give it a few seconds so it warms up. You'll be able to touch it here and feel that it's warming. Green is your low heat setting. If you want to change it to medium heat, which is the blue setting, just press this rapidly 3 times. 1, 2, 3. There, it turned to blue. If you want to turn it to the higher setting, which is red, press it again 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And see if you miss a click like I just did, it won't turn. Now it's on 3. Again, it's starting to get warm. If you really want it to get preheated fast, and get started, just press this twice, 1, 2, and now you can see it's flashing all the colors, so it's starting to preheat. And then when you smoke it, you've got to hold the button down and smoke it. So see how the light flashes on? So like if you were to smoke it without pressing it, nothing will come out. So you just got to hold it down. You'll see the light. It's on green. It's on my low setting. There you go. So let me know if that doesn't work, and then we can troubleshoot next steps. But then to turn it off, just click on this 5 times again, rapid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now it's off. So if I press this button, nothing happens because it's off. Okay? Hope that helps.